In this video, I want to show how we can refactor the Kotlin code so that it will be even less code needed to solve the task. Even though we have only 2 lines of code, still there is room for refactoring. So as you can see, we have a simple function called match, which returns boolean. It receives tokens. Tokens is just list of tokens. Token is just like simple data class, and it receives index, which is int, and token types, which is just like you can think of it like an array, but actually it's a var arg of token type. So basically this token type is just a enum class, and this var arg just receives this just some some number of these token types. It could be, for example, 3, or like this one, and this one, or whatever. Of course, whatever number, whatever composition of this, or how to call that, of these enum values. So what this function does is that we just get this index. We say if this index not in token indices is just indexes. Indexes are indices start with 0. For example, if there is tokens like 10 tokens, then indices will be from 0 to 9. And yeah, we can jump in the declaration, so it returns an int range. So indices is just an int range, and int range is just a data structure with start and end inclusive. That's basically it. So if we do not have this index in these indices, then we will return false. Otherwise, we go and say, okay, we have this list of tokens. We access an element by this index and get type. And if this type in types, then return true, otherwise return false. So this is as simple as that, but still it is 2 lines of code, but we can actually do much less code. So how we can accomplish that, I will comment this out. And what we gonna do is just we need to return, say, tokens, and instead of this not safe operation, meaning that if we have index out of bounds, then this expression can actually throw an exception. But in Kotlin there is a function get or null, which if we supply index here, so if this index is present, that it will return the element, meaning that the object of this type token. So this will return null object. Otherwise, if index is not present in tokens list, then it will return null. So there are 2 outcomes of this operation, and we can handle both of them by this operator, and then safely access the type like that. Now this operation will return either null or type of found token within the tokens list. So again, 2 outcomes, and we just need to say if this outcome in types. If yes, then the function returns true, otherwise it will return false. That's basically it, how we can like program in Kotlin that way that it will be no room for duplication, or how to call that, like not duplication, but the code that is really not needed to be present. We just can optimize it further, like compact, and it enhances readability. The less code, the better, if the code is really readable. And in this case, if you know this operator, then you are good. That's basically it. That's why I really like Kotlin. Thanks for watching.